The law school at William & Mary has become a showcase for technology in the court system.
One of the latest systems they're testing expands the reach of the courtroom, but may also go beyond the bounds of the Constitution. Investigative reporter Chris Horn saw the demonstration and has more. Chris?
Lena, remote appearances in courtrooms have been going on for years. Usually it's a defendant appearing by video from a nearby jail for an early stage hearing. This hologram technology, though, takes it several steps further. You might have seen it already right here on WAVY-TV, NBC's America's Got Talent, or at a Brooklyn Nets or Dallas Cowboys game. The law, though, says you get to confront your accuser. So is this encounter the same as face-to-face? In any other courtroom, a witness would take the stand. In this experimental courtroom at the Law School of William & Mary, a witness takes the booth.
Very well. The defendant will please take the stand. Thank you. Have a seat, sir. Raise your right hand.
It's not Zoom and it's not WebEx. Is the person there or not? The question is as much legal as it is existential, thanks to the Sixth Amendment. Law professor Frederick Lederer explains the confrontation clause.
In criminal cases, prosecution witnesses ought to normally be in the courtroom because the defendant has the right to confront the accuser, the witness against them.
It's a hologram created by Proto, a multinational company based in LA. In our scenario, this pharmacist is being sued by this woman for selling tainted medicine that caused her husband's death. But before she filed, she took matters into her own hands, not to mention a brick that she hurled through the store window.
Do you have the brick with you?
Yes, I do.
The defendant is actually upstairs, but he could be anywhere on the planet.
Yes, the witness will please display the brick.
And rotate it.
Is extraordinary. Many of us feel that it is functionally the equivalent of having the witness physically in the courtroom.
And here's the legal question.
Is this constitutionally the same as being there? And if it is, it's going to change prosecutions throughout the United States, because we can then have remote prosecution witnesses.
Lederer has done controlled experiments on how jurors judge the credibility of witnesses, remote in front of a camera nowhere nearby, versus right there in the courtroom.
You had the same jury result using remote witnesses than you did having physically present witnesses.
Federal and military judges have seen this demonstration at William & Mary, just like you're seeing it now. The verdict, though, is still out on whether it will clear the constitutional bar for courtrooms, but Proto says it's already in use in industry, universities, and public venues. And we have more information on the Proto system at WAVY.com. Now, another form of AI in the courtroom is ahead at 6, and we get reaction from someone whose profession could be on the line because of it. Chris Horn, 10 on your side.